Hi, British Vogue.
Simwekes.
Except this is not British Vogue, so welcome to my channel. Come in. One of the perks of having a YouTube channel is that I do not have to wait for bigger blogs to interview me. I'll just do it myself, right? Anyways, watch out for this space. But today we're going to be doing something pretty interesting. I need to get my hair done, and I'll be doing it right here in my home. Speaking about perks, we cannot overemphasize the comfort that comes with having home service on hair day. Oh my god. Today's video is sponsored by QVR hair, and I didn't notice it before, but we're matching. This is not my first time or second or third time working with QVR hair. And every time we have to work together, I just have amazing things to say about their extensions. Always quality. Today we are going to be trying out a new line of extensions that they brought, and it is their 𝐂𝐃𝐄 Afro Kinky bulk in color T1B30. The color is literally something that I will typically go for. It is their umber transition of color 30 and 1B. I'm so excited to try this, although I'm a bit confused as to how this would work because like this is the top, this is a tip of the extension and this is the other side. So like I do not know how my hairstylist is going to make this work because I actually do want like a transition from the black to the gold. I don't want it all mixed. I'm sure this would is like I cannot wait for my hairstylist to get here. She said she'll be here by 7. This is a little over 7 o'clock. Anyways, I'll pick you guys up when my hairstylist get here. This is what it looks like. Yeah. I want it to be the black up here and then the color down. But see, it's not bent. It's straight, just like here. But you know how to do that. So me, I was thinking like we'll bend this like here and do the knots. Do you understand? Or how do you want to do it? Explain it to me. Is it like that you do it? If you do it like that, the black will not really show now.
I will do it like this because already your hair too is black. Yes, it will give the length down.
Yeah, but then it's now add here, the gold will now be short. So let's make the black like half.
Okay.
Do you understand? So that the black will still show and then the gold will show as well.
Yes. Okay, what I see in this particular hair is very smooth and it's easy to separate. Unlike the so this one is very special. The way I see it is special. It's very fine.
Calling me out like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, you making me new today. Brand new, straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your hand. Take me from rags to riches in the best way. Took me from rags to riches, oh yeah, and I love that for me. I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches, yeah. Took me from rags to riches, love it for me. Yeah, I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches, took me from rags to riches, oh yeah, and I love it for me. I love it, I do. Took me from rags to riches, took me from rags to riches. I love it for me. Yeah, I love it for me. Yeah, you always spending time with me. But you nothing at a dime on it. Bought me at a price I can't afford. Taking me to places I ain't explored yet. Heavenly places. No GPS or escaping. No escaping. Yeah, you had everything. Gave it all away. Gave me everything
to do too much to convince anybody that I'm absolutely in love with this hairstyle. I don't even think I need to say too much. Like, I feel so beautiful, and I absolutely love this combination because, as you saw from the video of the install, we didn't need to do too much of like adding extensions towards the end. It was just like the way you make up when you're making your knotless braids all the way from the beginning. So like the brown is quite seamless. Yeah, the umber transition is amazing. One reason why I absolutely love the color of this extension is the fact that I have black hair, but I also love the color 30 extensions. That is to say that every time I make use of these extensions, I will have a bit of my roots showing, like peeking through the color 30 extension. This combination perfectly like masks my hair, like gives it a texture that flows from like top of my head until the bottom. I don't know if it makes sense. I mean, like, it is not just my hair peeking out of the color 30 extensions, but it is properly maxed in the 1B color. So it actually flows very perfectly from like my hair all the way like down. Okay, so I'm going to give my pros and cons, especially since this is a new drop. If you'd like to know some things about this extension and you want some extra information, then my number one pro about this extension is that it is properly smoothened out and almost already taken out for you. So if you are getting your hair done by yourself or your hairdresser, whatever, the job is made easy because you don't have to spend so much time arranging and all of that. So you just take it out and then you apply it. I'm sure you saw how easy it was from the install video. Yes, that's exactly what I mean. It could also be a con how smooth the extension is because it is way softer and not completely the same, but quite similar to French curls texture. If you're familiar with hair extensions, you probably get what I mean. And that's the fact that it is smooth. So you might have a hard time, applying this on your hair, especially if you're doing your hair by yourself. But once you get a hang of it, I think it's a thing of technique and strategy. So once you get a hang of it, it's quite easy. Like the first hair was the only thing that was stressful for my hairdresser. She immediately understood the extension and like she got into it immediately. So I just need you, I'm not telling you that this is not good. I just need you to go into like making your hair with the idea that you have to think of a strategy on how you're going to have it to stay. It's not like he has a problem staying. Like, it's way better than the French curls, but I'm just saying it mimics that type of texture. Another pro for me is how accepting this hair extension is of water. Like, with other hairstyles I've done and with certain extensions, you have to use like hair cream, like with water or whatever. And like, no, it's almost not the same with this hair. Although you can use those things, like another pro for me with this hair extension is how accepting it is of water. That is like a two-in-one pro for me because first of all, I don't have to do so much to look good. Like all that curl cream mousse, you can use it, but you don't have to. That's the point I'm trying to make. Why it is a two-in-one pro for me is because I'm a medical student. I don't know if that was out there, but I'm always on the go. I'm always rushing to somewhere. I always need to be out of my house on time. So I don't want to do too much with my hair. I literally just want to pack it and on days where I feel like style it and just leave without doing so much. And this helps me because no three-step routine, all of that. So it is really helpful. Taking me to my third pro, maybe my fourth pro, and is the fact that the curls are amazing. I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about from your screen, but the curls are amazing. You can tell someone that this is your 4B hair or 4A hair. I think it's 4A that has the most curls, but they'll believe you completely. It looks so good in real life. Like, I love this hair. Can I say, like, the whole extension is a pro. I don't think I need to say too much. I don't know what questions you're going to be asking me in the comment section, but believe me, you're going to have positive feedback on everything because, like, why not? I really love these hair extensions. Like, it's not even an ad anymore. I genuinely love it. The link to order this hair is in my description box. Don't sleep on it, okay? Yeah. So I don't know how much of a Vogue video this was, but I hope I have done justice to, the unveiling of this extension. If you have more questions, please drop it in the comment section or send me a message on Instagram. I think I get a lot of that from you guys, and I really, really appreciate you reaching out to me. Don't forget to shop this extension from QVR's website. They ship worldwide, by the way, so no need to ask me in the comment section if they ship to your country. They do. Okay, so don't forget to leave me a very big thumbs up on this video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. If you have any questions, share this video to any and everyone who you think should try out this extension, this hairstyle. I promise you'd love it. You'd love it too. Okay. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because the numbers matter to me as well, and it will feel amazing if we get to 20K by the end of the first half of 2026. I don't know how possible that is, but it will really feel amazing. Can you do that for me? Can you? I hope you can. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I was super excited to shoot it and to make it and to make this hair and to just look beautiful. I'm expecting all of you to look amazing in this hairstyle. So tag me in your pictures, send them to me. I absolutely want to see them. I love you guys so much. Mwah.